Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna be sharing with you guys a whole day Diwali vlog and happy Diwali to all of you. So I know that I haven't posted any video since a long time because first of all I was not well and I didn't get time to post any video. So that's why after a long time I'm posting one video. Hope you all like it. If you really do, then please do like and subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. So let's go ahead to the video. Actually thought that I would share how do I clean my bed with you guys, but I didn't cause actually I didn't have a camera setup or anything to place my camera like that. I don't clean like that, that's why I didn't I can't share. But now I will share how I do my hair spa. So I am here I am using this L'Oreal hair spa, this cream I am using, and I have already taken it on a bowl and I have just just mix it a little. And before applying this hair spa you need to make your hair a little bit wet. I have water, so I will just take it. Actually after making my hair wet I'm just coming back wet. After wetting my hair I haven't wet it like too much, a little bit. I'm gonna just take this on my hand and just take a little bit thick portion and I will just apply it like this. This is how I apply. So after applying my hair spa, already I have showed how I apply. So after applying it I am again coming back. Wait. So after applying this hair spa, this is how my hair is looking. Still it is on my hair. I will rinse it off after 15 to 20 minutes. So now I have came on my terrace. I will show you the view. Wait. See, a very beautiful view. And if you are wondering what is this, this is Kali Puja pandal, which we will also hop in this pandal. And right now this is the view. So I'm just gonna go around the terrace and show you all the plants. So these two are hibiscus plant. You all know that these two are aloe vera, and there are also lots of plants here as well. So yeah, all total it's a very beautiful here it is. And that I guess many of you know, that is Pareshnath Mandir. And if you are wondering that do I live near Pareshnath Mandir, it's my nani's house is near Pareshnath Mandir, but I live in Bagbazar, not near Pareshnath Mandir. Because of Kali Puja I have came to my nani's house. Today is Kali Puja. And yeah, there is nothing else is left to show you guys. So finally I came down. So after waking up, every day I have coffee, but today I woke up little bit early, that's why also I have it little bit late. So I am again meeting with you guys with my coffee. Till that, keep watching my channel. Hey guys, right now I am making coffee. So I have already poured the hot water into my cup, and now I'm just gonna pour this coffee and I'm just gonna mix it. So I will share nothing special in this recipe, but still I will share it with you guys. So let me cut this out first. So mistakenly I don't have any spoon with myself, so that's why I have to use this thing. And I will mix with the back of it this coffee. I tried to find So guys, I'm back with my coffee here, and right now I'm gonna have a little sip of it, and maybe I will finish it. Now it's 8:59. Maybe I will finish it till 9:10, and after that I'm again meeting with you guys. And how do I make my coffee? This recipe I had already shared with you all, and yeah, till that time stay tuned to my channel. So after drinking my coffee, in the meanwhile I took shower, and you know my hair is not completely dry. So just I'm showing after rinsing my spa cream. This is how it is looking. It's so straight and it's feeling so soft and smooth. And let me show you after it get dried once, and yeah, after that I will brush my hair and I will show you to all. And in the meanwhile I don't have any work that much, but first let me get my hair dried once. After that I will start with my face cleansing. So here thing goes which I want to share is always after doing spa, don't forget to apply a mild syrup on your hair. I am using here hair care fruit oil serum, hair care serum. So you can use any serum, you guys can use any serum whatever you want, but never forget to use a serum after doing a spa. After drying out, it's looking something like this. As you all can see, my hair is looking very much manageable. So I would definitely recommend you to use this L'Oreal Spa Cream. It makes your hair very soft and manageable, and it's looking amazing right now. So after few minutes I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna start my face care, and after that there will be also glow on my face, as well my hair will also shine. So hi guys, I am back. So now I'm gonna clean my skin. So already once in the morning I have cleansed my skin with this face wash from Himalaya. So after again I'm gonna again I'm gonna wash my face once again with this face wash, and after that I will add mask, scrubbing. So I will share everything with you guys, but first let me use this face wash. So now I'm gonna take this amount of face wash on my hand, and I'm just gonna apply it on my face in dot motion, and I will just go ahead like this, scrubbing on my face. Okay, so after removing my face wash, I am using here Lotus Apricot scrubber. You can use it as a regular scrubber as well. Even I also use it whenever I need it. So I will just take it a little amount of this, and I will just apply it throughout my whole face, and simultaneously I will go on scrubbing it with my gentle hands. So after scrubbing I am again meeting with you guys. Okay, so here we go with our first face mask, which is Golden Glow Peel Off Mask from Everyuth, and you can see my face directly on the mirror because I am standing a little bit far from the camera. So I'm gonna take little bit of this mask and I'm just gonna apply it throughout my whole skin. Already I have shaved my skin beforehand only, but still small hair remains now. That's why I have to apply a mask for peel it off. Sorry, every time I try to control my smile, but I don't know why it comes. But I'm feeling like smiling too much. Sorry for that. And I also know that there is lots of background noise. I'm also very sorry for that. And another thing which you need to keep in your mind is you have to apply a very thick layer of it, otherwise you will be unable to peel it off. So like this, I'm gonna apply it on my whole face. After applying it, I'm again gonna meet with you. So after applying the face mask, this is how my face is looking. So after peeling it off, I am again meeting with you guys, and I have to wait for 15 to 20 minutes for let it be dry on my face, and after that I will apply another sheet mask which I will also share with you guys. So guys, I am back after 15 to 20 minutes, and I am gonna take off my mask, means I am gonna peel off my mask. So let's start from the forehead. Okay. So this is how I'm going to peel off my whole mask. So forehead is done. Now the nose area. Don't be so hard with your mask, otherwise it can be hurtful for you. Just peel it off in very gentle hand. Make your hand very gentle and peel it off, especially on this nose area. Bit of mask is left on my face. I will just peel it off, and after that I am gonna apply another mask. So I am coming back after peeling this off. So guys, this is first time I am using Garnier sheet mask. I don't know how is it. I'm gonna open it. It's full of serum and there is a mask inside it. So I'm just gonna take it out. And I'm just gonna apply it on my face. Let me open it. It's very thin, I can see. So I wish I won't made any mess in this. I wish I don't do any mess in this mask. Oh my god, it's so stingy guys, and it's so slippery that I'm feeling very scared to open it even. Oh my god. This one is a forehead part. This is how we should apply it, and I'm just gonna. Here the girl is showing that the eyebrow should come out, but my eyebrow is not coming out. So I'm just gonna apply the syrup in this. It's very difficult to manage this mask. Oh my god. Protect your eyebrow, guys. I am also protecting cause I don't know which product actually peel off your eyebrow, which doesn't. So now I'm gonna keep it for 20 to 30 minutes maybe. After that I will take it off. So after taking off, I am gonna show you how my skin glows. Till that time, keep watching my channel. So after applying the mask, this is how I'm looking, like a ghost, and I don't know how will I look after removing it. Okay, so right now I'm gonna remove the mask cause it has been 20 minutes I've kept this mask on my face. Okay, so this is how it looks. I think I need to rub my face a little bit with this towel. Oh, there has been a lot of serum and I think my face is really growing pretty well. Like seriously, just look at this. Oh my god. So this is how, so now I have nothing to do right now, so I will just chill. So let's meet with you guys at my lunch time. Till that, keep watching my video. So hey guys, it is my lunch time, so I am having khichdi and nothing else cause today is Kali Puja and today Bengalis have only veg food, no non-veg food, so that's why I am only having khichdi. Finally wearing nail polish is completely done, so now I'm gonna just get ready. I know lots of background music is coming and maybe my voice can be a little bit low, but still now I'm just gonna now get ready and again meet with you guys. So hey guys, welcome back. So I forgot to show you my entire look for Diwali. So this is my look for Diwali. Hope you all like it. And this what I am wearing. I am wearing a shrug, a black shrug, and with that a baby pink t-shirt, and with that black color track pant, and with that sneakers. So this what I am wearing today, and yeah, I'm just going through the pandals and hopping to the pandals and just watching the gods. So I will also mention it in my vlog. Hope you all like it. And also here I am ending my vlog. If you like this vlog, then please do like and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon which is next to it. And if you want more vlogs like this, then don't forget to comment me below. Bye.